Access to finance is a multifaceted challenge. So what we need is to build a coalition, is partnerships, bring together many partners operating across the ecosystem in order to solve this problem. We need government to be able to create the right policy environment for finance to thrive. We need BFIs to provide de-risking instruments. We need financial institutions to be able to intermediate and bring this financing together. And then we need trained personnel to create the right kind of instruments to ensure that finance can flow to the recipients in a way that is not expensive.
Access to finance is really about being able to sort through a lot of the complexity to see whether you are a good borrower. So it's really about knowing your client. Most bankers will want to make sure that they provide the credit and they get the returns by way of the activity, the business activity that is supported. If we have more information about who the borrower is, the easier it is to be able to access that financing.
It's not an easy thing, because if not, we have resolved this many years ago. We need to be creative. We need to understand the real needs of SMEs. And of course, we need to put in front of these kind of companies more resources. And more resources not just for private, also for international cooperation and of course national resources.
At the Green Climate Fund, we believe that SMEs are crucial in driving climate change. They represent the bulk of employment in developing countries, and they are also among the most vulnerable to climate change. So in order to drive our mission, we need to reach them, and we believe that the best way to reach them is through local financial institutions. Now, of course, these institutions also face all kinds of barriers in their target markets. So our role is to help alleviate these barriers through a mix of capacity building, but also concessional funding that will hopefully then channel concessional climate finance to the end beneficiaries, which are these SMEs, for adaptation and mitigation projects to be undertaken.